Sliding drawers with FlexPipe. So here we are at our shipping area, and we created some drawers underneath the bench to make things easy. Some of you might have seen our computer printer drawer that slides on out. You get back there, get to all the cables and work on it if need be. You can slide it back in, nice and easy. We got the toner cartridge underneath there, a Gamma Doc Kanban card, link to Monday. Just scan that sucker and it'll be ready to go. Second drawer here is for when we want to reuse some packaging material. These four areas have some slide bars so it can slide to fit the boxes. We put the boxes in there. We take the tag out. We put that with the job so when we packaging we see we got we want to reuse some packaging. So we do that. We'll throw this other box in the back here and then slide that on in, and that's right where we make up the boxes, so right where we need it. The next area, here we go. We got some garbage cans underneath there. Just slide that right in there. Boom, garbage goes away. Pull it on out. We can pull out the garbage using some FlexPipe little clips to hold that on. It's just on a metal frame. And slide that boy back in there. On the right hand side here, just take a little piece and just chuck it in there. Or you can flip it on down and kind of sweep it right on in. And sometimes at night you find us playing foam frisbee basketball. 2 points. Oh, block shot by the knife. Left-handed in for 3 points. The win. Thanks for watching, everybody.